How to buy Shogun token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. This token, it's available on the screener, as you can see. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. As you can see, this token that have 5 million in market cap and the liquidity are 100% locked. That's mean your investment in the safe place. This token came under the Base network. Now let's go and buy this token. Just click here to copy the token address and go to your Bitkit wallet for here, and now go to your wallet. Now select the Base here as a network, as you can see, and click on this plus icon to be able to add this token. Now place the token address here and just click on this token or click on plus icon. Now to be able to find this token, just go to your wallet and search for it. As you can see, this is our token. Just click on it, click on swap, and now click switch here to be able to buy it. Now here select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC or any token that you want to buy with. Make sure you have enough USDC or any token that you want to buy with in your wallet. Now after that, type here how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, this is how much you will receive of that token. Now after that, it's simple. Click on buy here and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy Shogun token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.